Okay, so we have our Kohler shower here, and we've got our push button valve here for the shower, and it just comes out. So it was tightened at some point, but now when you turn on the shower, it activates the shower, and when you turn it off, it'll just sort of shoot out. So we're going to be repairing that today. Alright, first thing you want to do, just take out the valve. And then you've got this little piece right here, just unscrews. So you'll unscrew that all the way. And then you've got this thread right here, so that's where you're going to be attaching the push stop to. So, alright, so you just thread the push stop valve on here. You'll get the small Allen wrench, and there's just going to be 2 screws that you'll just tighten. You want to make sure it's pretty tight. If not, it'll loosen here. And you'll screw the part we unscrewed off earlier. Screw that back on tight. That'll actually hide those notches that you just screwed in. Shower's back on. As you can see, it now no longer shoots off. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs. Hit the subscribe below. Any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. We'll get back to you.